Derek.
We're two Canadians from a town called Chatham, which is right in between Windsor and London, for any of you who have any idea where we're talking about. And Chatham's like a little town, loves cars, loves hot rods. There's always, car shows and a couple, parades.
Yeah.
And it's one of those communities where it's full of car guys.
Technically, it's a hot rod capital of the world, or sorry, classic car capital of Canada.
Of Canada, yeah. So I mean, but a lot of people don't know that because it's this tiny little town.
Yeah.
But anyway, early here in 2019, Derek and I started talking about a couple ideas that we had about, going fast.
Yeah, we both like to drive. We're good at driving. We want something that goes fast.
And on top of going fast, we said, we should do something that's, contributes to the community and tries to help and give back and kind of like do a good deed for the year.
Yeah. All these hardworking firefighters and police and first responders that, don't get a chance to go out and have fun. We want to make that happen for them.
Yeah, and there's an opportunity for us to give back and to say thank you. The idea in giving back to the community and helping, some people who work hard and do a job that I personally, I don't think I could do. There's certain aspects of that job that maybe, but other parts that I think are just, I'm not built for that. And respect, right, to those people.
Yeah.
So, Derek and I are talking, and we said, well, let's get together and let's build something that is fast and safe and something that we can take these first responders for on a ride.
Something that's, we got to find something that's not your everyday car, though. If we can find an old police car or a fire chief car or something, something, and we don't want something new. We want something old.
Something with some character.
Yeah.
And, Derek just mentioned a fire chief car. We kind of had our eye on this one wagon that actually happened to be a fire chief vehicle here in Chatham. And for those of you who don't know Chatham, firefighters and fire trucks are a big thing here. There used to be a huge fire fest that they would put on every year, and all these fire trucks would come out. And it was certainly,
Still is every year. They have.
Yeah, it's something to see.
Fire trucks come out. And,
yeah. So if we're hoping to find something that can be unique and something that hopefully means something to the community. For goals in mind is to be able to run something that it runs 10 seconds. 10 seconds or less, right?
Gotta be 10 seconds.
That's got to be a fast car,
yeah.
Right? 10 seconds is a fast car.
And I think ideally our, initial goal around 700 horsepower.
700 is a good number. Depending on our platform, really, depending on the chassis that we end up going with, 700 horsepower should be enough to get anything down the track in 10 seconds.
But we're going to look at that LQ4.
That's right. There's an LQ4 that we have our eyes on right now, and we're hoping to buy, a GM 6-liter LS-based platform, cheap. This is obviously a budget build, and try and get this thing, new springs, new rings, new cam, new intake.
It's got to be able to take boost.
And it's big turbo, right?
Big turbo.
Big turbo. So,
if anybody's got any suggestions, if you're running a 6-liter LQ4 and, you're pushing 600, 700, 800 horse, shoot us a message. Let us know what you're doing. Any suggestions we're open to. So.
We're both car guys, but we are not drag racers.
No.
So we really would appreciate anybody's thoughts on, different setups or brands, or anybody who's out there who's willing to help. Send us an email at howfast10@gmail.com. We're going to be starting this YouTube channel to hopefully share this journey with you guys.
Yep.
And we'll catch up with you guys when we do eventually get in touch with this guy for this engine. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. We're gonna go pick up that engine. We got Church here with his truck. We got the engine hoist. Microphone's working on the camera, which is awesome.
Yep.
So,
minus 12 out.
Minus 12, typical Canada.
Yep.
So let's go.
Take the next right onto Doro Street, then turn left onto Downey Street.
Did you hear what she said?
You should turn right, right? What she said? Left onto Downey
Take the next
Street.
left onto Downey Street, then sharp left onto Waterloo Street South.
What the? Why the?
Take the next left onto Waterloo Street South.
Take the left on the Waterloo.
Turn left here.
That'll be a tight one.
That would be a really sharp left. That's what we would call a U-turn. How's she going, eh?
In 200
So-
meters, turn left onto Nile Street.
Nile Street, 200 meters. So that wasn't the place.
Yeah.
Mistaken I was. So
Now we're doing donuts in a random parking lot.
this isn't a parking lot, I'll tell you. This is like a construction site we're in right now.
South of Downey Street toward Milton Street.
This
Then turn
doesn't
left
feel,
onto Milton Street.
this doesn't feel like a parking lot, I'll tell you. All right, here we go.
It's gonna be fun road trips if this is how they're all gonna go.
This is what they're going to mostly consist of, I think.
Yeah.
You know, I think that there's going to be a lot of random driving out in towns that we've never been to before, and weather that's unfavorable. You know, the cards stacked against us. I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot too.
Let's see, is this buddy? I'm at the end of the lane in a
for 4
red
kilometers.
classic Silverado, he says. All right, so let's just follow the yellow brick road here, and it's going to take us. You
Always
just
get
follow
lost
us
on the road
across
trips.
water and then back. We got a hold of the guy, and that's him in front of us in the red Sierra. At least that's Chuck, his dad, who's graciously come into town to meet us and direct us where we were supposed to be going, which we probably never would have found.
Nope.
We probably never would have found. So, to add to the trials and tribulations, we now have a low tire pressure warning on the truck, and the wipers, for some reason, aren't shutting off.
They're back to good.
They're back to good. They're good, but the tire pressure may be low. So we'll check that when we get out here. Hopefully we didn't run over anything in that parking lot. Catch up with you guys in a minute. Well, we made it. We have made it home, back to Chatham. Yeah, legs are feeling better. A little bit of blood in them now. Okay guys, well it's clearly a different day and we're dressed in different clothes, so we wrenched into the night, and now it's a couple days later. But we did want to say thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share and tell all your friends.
Let's see how fast we can get this car to go.